The Pixel 9 Pro XL marks a significant evolution in Google's design language. The curved edges and camera bar of previous models have been replaced with a more refined, flat design. This new design not only looks stunning, but also feels more durable and reliable. The horizontal pill-shaped camera bump adds a distinctive touch, housing the triple camera setup along with a flash and temperature sensor. The Pixel 9 Pro XL features a 6.8-inch OLED display. The display is incredibly bright, making it perfect for outdoor use. The 120 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and a responsive touch experience, which is great for gaming and media consumption. While the Pixel 9 Pro XL boasts a new Tensor G4 chip and impressive RAM. The true power of the Tensor G4 chip lies in its software capabilities. This chip is a testament to the power of Google's Gemini AI. Gemini Assistant, with its new Gemini Live feature, offers a more human-like interaction and is capable of engaging in natural conversations. The Pixel Studio app allows users to generate creative images using text prompts, though it currently has limitations in generating images of people. The Pixel Weather app has also been enhanced with AI-generated weather reports and customizable widgets. While the Pixel 9 Pro XL launched with Android 14, Google's commitment to 7 years of updates ensures that it will continue to receive new AI-powered features in the future. The camera setup on the Pixel 9 Pro XL is one of its standout features. It includes a triple lens array with wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses. Each lens is optimized with advanced AI to ensure that every shot is of high quality. The camera performance of the Pixel 9 Pro XL is exceptional. The night sight mode captures incredible detail in low light conditions, and the AI-driven features enhance photos to professional quality. Daylight shots are vibrant and sharp with excellent dynamic range. You can record 8K videos at 30 frames per second and the quality is superb. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is equipped with a large 5,000 milliampere battery, which comfortably lasts a full day with heavy use. The 37-watt fast charging capability ensures that you can quickly top up the battery when needed, and wireless charging adds an extra layer of convenience. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL is a top-tier smartphone that excels in design, display, performance, camera, and battery life. While it comes with a higher price tag, the overall experience justifies the investment. It's a powerful, beautifully designed device that caters to both tech enthusiasts and casual users alike.